Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this DIY tumbler cup holder. I spent less than $10 to make the entire thing. It took me about 30 minutes to make it. It was relatively simple to make. So let's get started. The items you'll need are 2 cross fittings. You'll also need 4 elbow fittings. And then lastly, you will need 2 1.5-inch PVC pipes. The optional part are 4 end caps. My Home Depot didn't have any, so I'm not going to be using them. And you will also need a handsaw. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my handsaw and I'm going to cut 10 inches off of the PVC pipe, and as you can see, I've already done that with the first piece. And what I initially did was I took a ruler and I measured 10 inches and I marked it with the green marker, as you can see. So you're probably going to get a better handsaw than I did. I just picked up this handsaw from the Dollar Tree, so I was having a bit of a struggle, but you get the picture. Okay, next I'm going to be taking my PVC pipe and I'm going to measure out 4 3.5-inch pieces. On that same PVC pipe, I'm going to measure out 4 1.5-inch pieces as well. Next, I'm going to be cutting out all of the pieces that I've just measured. So now let's recap what we have. We have 2 cross fittings. We have 4 3.5-inch PVC pipe, 4 1.5-inch PVC pipe, and 2 10-inch pieces. Okay, so to assemble, we're going to take the 2 10-inch pieces and we're going to connect the elbow fittings to each of the 4 ends. Next, we're going to take those 4 1.5-inch pieces and we're going to connect them to the bottom of the elbow fittings, and we're going to do that for each of the 4 ends. Next, we're going to take the cross fittings and we're going to connect them to the bottom of those 1.5-inch pieces. you're going to take the second cross fitting and you're going to connect it to the other end. Next, you're going to take the 3.5 inch pieces and you're going to connect them to the bottom of the cradle. So here's what it looks like assembled. You have the option of adding the end caps. As stated previously, my Home Depot didn't have them. Next, we're going to be adding the pool noodle. You can get it from Dollar Tree. I'm going to measure out 2 10-inch pieces. I'm going to be using my hand saw to cut them out. Here's the final look of our cup holder. I hope you enjoy everything you've seen today. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you on the next video.